guys, here's our second snowstorm. It is starting and it's supposed to be snow, and then it's supposed to be rain, and then it's supposed to be sheets of ice. And remember my winter sewing containers? They were all nice and cleaned off, and this was my little baby snowman that I had made. Look, he's already melted down to a little baby snowman, but the snow has started. Let me show you that tree that has fallen down some more. So I'm just gonna walk around and give you guys a quick little tour because it is snowing again. See, this is that tree that I was talking about. See how it's all come out of the ground? So when I get an opportunity, I'm going to have to take my chainsaw and take that out. So I'm out here because I wanted to come and take out off my my signs over here. See my sister's flag? I need to get that taken off because it is gotta take this one off, and then over here, look at this snow, you guys. I'm telling you, it ain't no joke at all. In my mom's flag over here, I'll take this one off. I love the snow, but it's just like, oh my goodness. Take that one off so it won't get all messed up. Let's go over here and take my dad's off. Now let's come and take my mom's off. So to be ready to go for next springtime. And like I said, I try to salvage as much of the snow I could off of my greens over here, but it is what it is. I'm not even going to cover them because that first snowstorm did a serious damage to them. So we are looking, I'm just out letting you see the beautiful snow. Hopefully, and it's starting to snow really bad now. Of course, I'm out here again with no gloves on, so trying to get this sign off. This sign right here, it doesn't want to come off for some reason. This one may just have to stay on here, and I'll come back out here later and get it, because that one is fighting me. But look at that. Got a lot of more trees. I predict that this tree right here may come down next. So let me go inside because I'm sure later on Miss Renee will be out here shoveling some snow. Look at my flowers were coming back, and then the snow has come. So alright guys, I'll keep you posted on the situation here with the snow, but I've got all my food together, got my generator, I cooked, so if I need to heat up anything, I am good to go. So happy. I love the snow, but I don't love shoveling the snow. That's the one thing I don't enjoy. Alright you guys, I'm gonna let you check out the front so you can see how the front is looking. Hold on. This is what the front of my house, of my neighborhood, is. A good thing that I put the salt and stuff down on the driveway and the walkways, but I'm shooting from the inside of my garage. But I wanted you guys to see how it looked. The roads are starting to get covered again, so hopefully we will get the snow, as you can see, but hopefully we won't get like that 11-12 inches that we had the last time. And trust and believe, your girl will not be on no I-95 this time for sure. Miss Renee is staying put. big time, staying put. So I am under this second winter wonderland storm. So keep us in your prayers, that everybody in the areas or all the states that are dealing with this snowstorm, I am sending you my prayers to keep you safe, stay warm, and hunker down and just enjoy your family and just be inside somewhere where you can just relax. Because if you don't have to be on the roads, please do not get on the roads, because that's the first thing that they tell you. Oh, and I can see this time that that tree over here, I don't know if you guys can see it. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. But let's see. See that tree right there that's on the other side of our house? This for sure, if we get a lot of snow, that tree is going to break all the way to the end. This time it's going to fall off and it's going to go straight into the road. So hopefully, if it breaks, then it'll be easiest for us to go and move it out of the road. But that's what that tree's looking like. That's from the first damage of the first snow, how it broke that tree. And now this is a massive tree. So that snow that we had with the heavy snow and that turned into ice was just too much for that tree and stressed it out. So you can see there's other parts that have been bent, but that part right there, I think, like I said before, if it gets as heavy as the last snowfall, it will completely break that limb off. All right, guys, I will leave it here because Miss Renee is going to go back inside, and I am going to get me some coffee, and I am going to enjoy being home. All right, take care, you guys. It's snowing. I love the snow. Oh, it looks so cute. You know I got to touch the snow again without me having any gloves on. It's tradition now. Here, look. And it's that powdery snow. It's not even that snow that, even though I squeeze it, it's this type of snow. Look at this snow. Breaks up really easy. Powdery snow. Fresh snow. Woo. Fingers are already getting frozen. All right, guys. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee, we'll see you in the next video. It's snowing.